Smile, hello, friends. I'm Dr. Salma Mehndi, Senior Sujok Consultant from Visakhapatnam, India. Today I am going to speak about fatty liver. Hepatic steatosis. Steatosis means fat. Big cause of concern, right? But I am going to give you a very simple solution for this. Just understand what is fatty liver and what are the causes of fatty liver. Actually, liver is a very important organ in our body. Liver is responsible for metabolism, catabolism. It breaks down all the nutrients as well as it builds up the large molecules. They are basically fat or glycogen and lipoprotein. Lastly, triglycerides. They are the complex fats. Protein is produced in the liver. The synthesis of protein is happening in the liver. Liver does lot of detoxification of the body. It produces bile for digestion. Liver is basically our chemical production house and chemical processing factory of human body. So when we have wrong lifestyle, meaning we have wrong food habits, irregularity, and if we are into alcoholism. So some of the important and major causes for fatty liver, one is alcoholic hepatitis, that is cirrhosis, commonly known as cirrhosis. This is due to excessive consumption of alcohol. Another one is NASH, non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. This is due to overweight, obesity, due to fatty food basically. Then insulin resistant hepatitis. That means people who are type 2 diabetic, they generally have insulin resistance in their body, and this condition also creates lot of adipose tissues, and all the adipose tissues fat accumulates in the liver and liver becomes enlarged and fatty. People who are into dieting, they are also, if they are taking lot of fruits for dieting purpose, their diet becomes high in fructose, and these fructose creates lot of triglyceride, and all these things are stored in liver. And last but not the least, the sweet tooth. People who are into sweet consumption, they are into chocolates, candies, rasgullas, gulab jamun, jalebis, all these habits, they are also very dangerous and major cause for fatty liver. So let us see what we have for fatty liver in Sujok. In Sujok, we have a very simple tip that liver is a very large organ. So liver occupies 1/3 area of our palm. This much area. I'll color it, and you also have to color this area with green. I'll show you, and you can color this whole area with green. Mark it like this. Fully you have to cover this area. And then you can take a roller like this. This is Sujok acupressure roller, and you can just massage it this area for 2 to 3 minutes. You can apply wormwood oil. That's very good. It will melt the fat, as well as it's easy for massaging. It won't hurt your skin. So massage it like this. You can do this process in both the hands. Here, massage this 1/3 area of your palm nicely for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, you can just give clapping here like this for 1 minute. That means 50 counts. This is your stimulating liver. Every day if you do 2 times, you're going to help your fatty liver. And after doing this, you can put these green gram seeds. You can use methi seeds, that is fenugreek, or this one, and you apply the seed over the correspondence point and cover the whole area with these seeds and keep it overnight. This will really start melting your fat deposits from the liver. You do it continuously for 2 to 3 months, and then after that you take a scan and you will find that your liver size is decreasing and fat deposits are becoming loose and they will melt out. So friends, if you like my tips for personalized consultation, please leave your comment in our comment box. And if you want to understand how these techniques are working, you can go and see my standard correspondence video that will help you to understand the science behind it. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you so much. Happy healing.